What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making a smash burger, but instead of using a traditional bun, we'll be using a croissant for it. Let's start things off by making a quick and easy burger sauce. Grab a bowl and add a few tablespoons of mayo, some ketchup, a little W sauce, Sriracha, some minced garlic, pickle juice, a little salt and pepper, and some paprika. Give it a good whisk and then set it aside to use for later. Next we'll move on to grilling some onions. I'm dicing them up, but feel free to do slices or whatever your preference may be. We'll be using the Blackstone today, so get some butter melted and then toss on those onions. Season them up with some salt and pepper. Then add on some W sauce. Give them a good toss. And then once they cook down a bit, add a little brown sugar. When those are done, cut open a croissant and lay it flat on the griddle to get it nice and toasted. Keep an eye on it because it doesn't take too long to cook, and then once it's done, set it aside and get that burger on. Guys, if you haven't already, please take this time to subscribe to the channel. That way you can stay up to date whenever I post a new recipe. And for the patties, I'm using about a 1/3 pound of ground beef. Roll it into a ball and then smash it down. Add on your favorite burger seasoning, and then a little yellow mustard to help caramelize that crust. Be sure to give it a good scrape to make sure all the crust stays on, and go ahead and flip it. Let it cook for a couple more minutes, and then add 2 slices of American cheese. Once that cheese gets nice and melted, go ahead and cut the burger in half and stack it. And this way it'll fit just right on that croissant. For assembly, grab that burger sauce and add it to the croissant. Then add those stacked patties. Then those grilled onions. Fold it over, and then all that's left is to dig in. I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.